In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your organization's details and customize your branding themes seamlessly. This can be incredibly helpful if you've decided to rebrand or update your company's information, and it ensures consistency across your communication materials. Let's begin by heading over to your organization's settings. To do this, first click on your organization's name, which you'll find prominently displayed at the top left of your screen. This action will take you directly to a range of settings specific to your organization. Select the Organization Details option. Here, you have the ability to update key pieces of information that represent your organization. Things like your organization's name, logo, industry classification, or even your registration number can all be modified. Moreover, you can change your physical and postal addresses should they ever need adjusting. Remember to save your changes before moving on. This is crucial as these updated details will now be accessible for use in your branding themes. Now let's move on to customizing your branding theme, which reflects these changes for a unified brand identity. Navigate to the Invoice settings. To do this, go back to the main menu, select Settings again, and this time, choose Invoice Settings from the list. Here is where the magic happens. You'll need to decide whether to create a new branding theme or to modify an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, click on New Branding Theme. However, if you prefer to refine what you already have, opt for Manage Themes, where you can edit an existing theme to better fit your current branding needs. It is essential to include details that make your company recognizable and professional to those receiving your communications. Under the Logo section, upload your current logo. This is a visual cornerstone of your brand, so make sure it's up to date and in the correct format. Then, in fields labeled Terms and Payment Advice or similar text areas, add important information such as your company registration number or a message detailing your payment terms. Including your registered address can be optional, but is often seen as a professional courtesy. Once you've input all necessary details and are satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is to save the theme. This small but significant step ensures all your invoices reflect your updated brand identity, helping to present a consistent image to your clients. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll align your organization's details with your branding themes efficiently and effectively. This integration of your brand identity not only looks professional, but also helps in building trust and recognition among your clients. Thanks for following along, and make sure to save these updates to keep everything in sync.